In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Salesforce for product schedules. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to refine your reporting skills, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. So let's dive in and create a report that helps you track opportunities and product schedules effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to the home page in your Salesforce environment. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard that provides an overview of your tasks, reports, and more. This is your central hub for managing your Salesforce activities. Next, direct your attention to the app launcher. You'll typically find this in the top left corner of your screen. The app launcher is a powerful tool that helps you quickly access the specific applications and objects you need to address your tasks efficiently. Clicking on it allows you to search for various features, but for this task, you'll focus on finding the reports. Once you've opened the app launcher, go ahead and click on Reports. Accessing reports will lead you to a new page that displays a list of all the reports created within your Salesforce instance. This page offers a wide range of existing reports you can draw from or customize to suit your particular needs. Now that you're on the Reports page, let's click on New Report. This button initiates the process of building a report from scratch, which is perfect for creating a custom view of your data. Starting new allows you to define the parameters that are most relevant to your specific reporting goals. In the search bar on the New Report page, you'll need to type in Opportunities with Products and Schedules. Selecting this from the displayed options helps refine your report to focus on data related to product schedules within specific opportunities, ensuring you gather precise insights from your report. After that, click on Opportunities. This selection is vital because it simply means you're creating a report focused on opportunities and their corresponding details, such as products and associated schedules. Opportunities are a key aspect of Salesforce concerning sales and business relationships and are critical in generating sales reports. Lastly, click on Continue to create your report. This step finalizes your choice and generates the report with the parameters you've defined, allowing you to review and analyze the data as needed. You can further customize this report by adding filters, tweaking columns, or changing the format according to your preferences. With these straightforward steps, you'll have successfully created a detailed report for product schedules within Salesforce. Remember, the more you work with reports, the easier it becomes to tailor them to your unique business needs. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to explore other Salesforce features for optimizing your workflow.